What's up, folks? Welcome back to NeuroSketch, and today I want to show you how to navigate through quizzes to get feedbacks on the answers you have chosen. Here's what you need to do. So go to your search bar here and write NeuroSketch. NeuroSketch, you look again this one. And the very first thing to do, make sure you subscribe, and not only subscribe, and turn notification on. If you allow all notification, you'll be notified of every post you are putting. I'll be posting questions, maybe 6 or 7 questions a day, and every time I post, you'll be notified. If you've turned this notification on for all, you'll be notified every time I put in the post. So after then you go through, you click that to go to the channel, and then the quiz is found under this section here, the post. So you hit the post, and once you go to the post, you see we have questions that you have already posted. I will be putting questions here. For example, this question: a patient develops an aneurysm of the second part of axillary artery due to chronic crutch use. Which branch arises from this part of the artery? For example, let me try to put A and see what if I've got right or wrong. So let me try A. So A is wrong, and the correct answer is B, the thoracoacromial artery. And downside here we get the explanation, the feedback for why A wasn't an answer and B was. So explanation: two branches from the second part, the thoracoacromial artery and lateral thoracic artery. And also, I have a bunch of questions here. You can go through another one. For example, this one: which of the following correct matches the space nerve and an artery? You can see that question. But also I have another question: a 48-year-old woman undergoes axillary lymph node dissection for the breast cancer. Postoperatively, she's unable to deduct and immediately rotate her arm, and posterior axillary fold appears flattened. Which structure was most likely injured? So for example, let's again assume I'm taking the B as an answer. So if I click B, you see B is not an answer, but D is. And here is the explanation for why D is an answer. That the posterior axillary fold, is made up of latissimus dorsi. Latissimus dorsi is innervated by thoracodorsal nerve, but also this patient fails to do the actions of latissimus, like deduct and immediately rotate. This is one among actions of latissimus dorsi. So this is how you'll be navigating through quizzes. But we have a playlist here that I told you. We have a playlist for different parts of our course, but I told you, I promised you I prepare a Zima moto group, which is high yield only, for quick recap or before you go to exams. I will be posting here too, maximum of 3-minute video. 3-minute video, and then this is an example. Carving of the aorta, but bifurcation of trachea and too many bronchi. What is so important is you'll be linked. Once I give you this video, you'll be linked into the main video. For example, we're doing a Zima moto for the upper limb, for example, the muscles of the forearm or muscles of the arm. At the end, you'll be linked into the main video in case you want to check something there, because this is just a high read. That is Zima moto, right? Again, another important thing that I want you to know, the main videos will be found here. Like every time we post a video, for example, last time we posted a video, let me cancel this one. For example, last time we posted a video of anterior thoracic wall, and maybe soon I'm going to post another video, so it will be found under videos here. But here, playlist, if you want, for example, anatomy of the upper limb, will be found here. Anatomy of the thorax will be found there. Anatomy of the vertebral column, the elements of anatomy, extraocular muscles, and some other neuroanatomy sessions will be found under respective. So if you want to do this specific thing, you will go to this playlist and check. But you can also go through individual video, or you can even search for a video. You can even search for a video there. But here home also we've pinned some important things that are easy for you. So that's how to navigate. But the very important thing, you make sure you have subscribed and you turned on notifications. Every time we post, you get a notification. Yeah, that's how to use, brief how to use it.